Anyone that I know that's looking to purchase a house, whether building or not, I tell them at least go check out Bloomfield first before you make up your mind. I mean, neighborhoods everywhere, floor plans for really whatever you want. I mean, we've built houses before in the past, and doing what I do for work, I mean, I deal with a lot of builders and construction companies, and just the organization, it really gives you a custom home feel. Great floor plans, I mean, the list goes on and on. We built a Primrose, and I've always wanted one, and the opportunity came up and we were finally able to do it, and it's been our dream house for a very long time. My favorite feature of the floor plan that we have is the super tall ceilings, and we have like a stone fireplace that goes all the way to the ceiling, which makes it feel like kind of cabiny, which we really like. Patrick and Mitchell were very attentive. I mean, everything that we needed, any concerns that we had, not that we had many, they were always on top of it. And it's whenever you're buying something as big of financial investment as a house, you always get these like weird thoughts, and you kind of freak yourself out sometimes. And just having them there throughout every single step of the process, not just closing, was super useful and really reassuring and calming.